So I'm sorry for that. So I'll just give a short overview of today's class, and that is we are discussing follow-up questions which come in the speaking based on the essay questions which come in the writing. So in this class, we are killing two birds with one stone. And the first topic we discussed was, very quickly, we'll go into it, stress at the workplace, the causes and the solutions. Okay. So the causes spoken were, one of you will speak them out quickly. What are the causes of stress at the workplace? As it is going to be recorded now, and I'll extend the class for some time. Yes. Rupali, speak out the causes we've done earlier today.
Ma'am, the causes are like excessive like workloads, and they are asked to do something which they are not aware of, or they don't have any experience of it,
Very
and
good.
lack of job security as
Very
well.
good. Very good. And also
Working
strict
environment,
strict guidelines,
competition between
yes,
rift
colleagues,
between the employees,
unrealistic deadlines.
rifts, conflicts between the employees and employers, between the colleagues, among the colleagues. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
improper
also,
management.
and also
Exactly,
we did one point, that physical conditions, work environment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Too hot, too cold, the chairs not
Poor
good,
work
in a
environment.
good condition. And the solutions we did accordingly as the points we spoke, that the employers should give practical deadlines to the students, okay, and to the students, to the employees, and then there should be good working
And
conditions.
there should be extra bonus if there is strict deadline or there is excessive workload.
Yes. So if the employees work overtime, they should be given proper overtime. They should be given bonuses and perks from time to time. There should be, during the coffee meet, there should be interaction between the employers and employees during the coffee break, so that they can come out with their problems. All these things we discussed. The second essay we discussed was dress code, advantages and disadvantages. Quickly, one of you, 1 minute. Advantages of dress code.
Ma'am, it creates confidence among employees.
Very good. Yes,
Ma'am,
Baljeet.
shall I try?
Yes.
Shall I try, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
There are many advantages of dressing code. If anyone employee wear dress, so it can also improve their skill, as well as it enhance their confidence. So it gives me positive vibes. So I think it is good for employee and employer, because there is a good interaction between the both them. So I think dress code create the sense of identity. So I think it is a
Yes. Identity, not identity. Identity.
okay, identity.
Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And then we
Sense
also
of
spoke other points.
responsibility.
It
Pardon?
gives a sense of equality.
Equality. Very good. It's a
It
social
also
leveler.
shows
Yeah, and
yeah.
the employee looks more professional.
More professional,
Very
smarter.
good. Very
shows
good.
the
And
professionalism.
disadvantages of dress code.
Ma'am,
Well,
monotone. Ma'am, bore ho, like person
ma'am,
gets
I
bored.
shall start.
Yes.
There are few disadvantage of dressing code at workplace. To begin with, if employer wear same dress daily, so I think they feel bored, and it reduce their confidence because of
It,
their
it,
daily
it reduces.
wear
It
that
reduces.
type of dress. So I think that they cannot feel better.
Yes, they feel bored. That is, feel bored.
They feel
After
bored.
feeling, you
Yeah, yeah.
always speak the ED form, and it reduces, not reduce. Reduce. After it, always a verb with an S. Okay, it reduces.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
There, and also, it doesn't. It stifles their creativity. When they wear different dress every day, they feel more creative. Okay, they mix and match their dresses. They want to look better. Okay, so like that, it snubs their creativity. That is the negative point. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, in follow-ups question, like what are the advantages? Ma'am, we can speak like first of all, second of all. Ma'am, इस तरह से बोल सकते हैं, like
yes,
there are
yes,
many.
yes, of course you can speak like that. Of course. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
next essay we were doing is the hot topic, that is telecommuting. Telecommuting means working from home with the help of telephone lines. So normally commuters are people who travel to workplace. So here it is telecommuting. So what is traveling here? You are at home. The worker is at home. What is traveling? The work is traveling. Through what? through telephone lines.
Internet.
So through the telephone lines, internet, the work travels to your home and you work from your home, right? That is telecommuting. Now, what are the advantages of telecommuting? Okay, now advantages of telecommuting, you can divide in 3 parts. Advantages to the employee, advantages to the employer, advantages to the environment.
Yes.
Okay, now disadvantages to the employee and the employer. There are no disadvantages to the environment. Okay, so advantages to the employee, advantages to the employer, advantages to the environment. Disadvantages are only to the employee and the employer. Now, advantages to the employee, please, other students also come forward. Yes,
Can I, ma'am?
yes, of course.
There are many advantages to the employer. First of all, there is no need to travel. There is no need to travel to their workplace. They can do their work at home. It saves
This is not the advantage. Now, speak
Ma'am,
the
it
advantage.
saves their time.
time.
Ma'am.
It saves
Their
time.
time.
Yes, Rupinder.
They can
Now,
spend more time.
just read 1 minute. Rupinder, in writing and in speaking, in both these things to score well, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
put the point first, then expand.
Okay.
You were expanding and your point wasn't coming.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes examiners are in a rush. Okay. They have so many students in the queue. They have to examine, they have to, test all of them. So they are short of time. So what you should do is put the point first. Examiner should know this student knows the point, then expand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then it will be better than that. Even in writing, put the point first. There are many advantages of telecommuting. The first advantage is it saves time. Then expand. People don't have to travel. Okay. So it saves time. Time is saved in many ways, not just don't have to travel, not that time. How much time do you take to get ready for the workplace? At least half an hour. That is also saved. You can sit at home and in the night suit and work.
Yes.
Okay. So that is time saved. Now, second point. Yes. Now speak.
Second point.
Another advantage is that
Shall I start, ma'am?
Work-life balance
Can I
will
say?
be better.
There is
No transportation
There is-
cost.
Yes.
Yes, it saves money. Okay. First advantage, it saves time. Second advantage, it saves money. There is no transportation cost. You don't have to, pay for the fare of the bus or the train, and you don't have to pay the price of diesel or petrol if you are going by your own vehicle. Okay. So 2 advantages. Any other advantage?
It
Ma'am, they
reduces
can look after their family member as well.
Okay. One by one.
You save on time.
Time we have done.
It reduces stress level.
Ma'am, as employee is staying at home,
Ma'am.
he or she can spend more time with his
work life
family
balance.
members.
Okay.
Yes. But more time with the family members, you must expand it nicely. Okay.
Ma'am, like
They
Because
can
of
do
the
their
household
like
chores
also.
Ma'am,
in
they
the-
can look after their family members meanwhile working.
हाँ देखो
Ma'am, can
आपको
I
company
tell
just
family
listen to
commitment?
me listen to me. You are working for a company. The company is paying you say 20,000 a month for telecommuting, and what you are doing, looking after your family. You are making breakfast for them, then you are making lunch for them. Will the company pay you 20,000?
No.
So you have to put your point very nicely.
Ma'am,
Okay?
they fulfill minor
You
form
cannot
family
say, madam, a person can look after family, he can spend time with family. You are not being paid to spend time with family. You are being paid to work.
Like
Ma'am,
with the
ऐसे बोल
saved
सकते हैं, save
time,
time instead
like
of
with
they
the
like to
saved
do
time they
work.
can spend
Ma'am,
with
Yes. And that saved time can be given to family.
family.
Ma'am,
it
can I?
gives
we work in our
flexibility
own
to sit
environment.
whatever
Okay.
wherever they
Listen.
want.
Person can work anywhere in the world.
Yes, that's a very good point. Can work for any company anywhere in the world.
People
Okay.
Even
can work in a comfortable
he or
place.
she can work for full time or part time if she is free.
Yes, you can work part-time, and then this advantage is for the employer also. They can hire the best talent from any part of the world.
Yes.
Yes.
Could I
Despite-
put forward a point?
Pardon?
One another.
Could I put forward a point?
Yes, sure.
it introduced lots of concepts which increasing the number of employment to in the peoples, like it introduced concepts such as freelancer job and
Okay. Now
digital
just
marketing.
hold on. What is your name? SS, what's your name? I think she's disconnected. The one who was speaking right now. She got disconnected. Uski galtiyan batani thi, but she got disconnected. Okay. So it introduces concepts. It introduces wrong. It introduces concepts. Okay. Then, you know, you can say, don't send me messages in the chat box. Just speak them out. Okay. Because if I start looking at the chat box, my ideas, you know, what's going on, that line of thought is disturbed. And what I'm speaking is also disturbed. So just speak out what you have to say, put the point. Okay. So advantages to the employee we were doing. First advantage, saves time. Second advantage, saves money. Third advantage, you can put, can look after minor family commitments. Minor word is very important. Small family commitment. Supposing there is a sick person at home, you have to give medicine at 11 a.m. Then you have to give medicine at 1 p.m. It just takes few seconds to give the medicine. But for that, if you are working, if you are in an office, you'll have to take a leave. Just for these two works. But if you are telecommuting, you can always do that much, right? My daughter has done telecommuting for so many years. So what she used to do was, in the coffee break, 15 minutes, she used to be with me, and she used to, like, we used to have tea together or coffee together. Then she would sit back at her desk for work. Then lunch recess, lunch break, she would come again and we would have lunch together. Then she would go back to work. Until 5 she was working. And sharp 5:51, her company's policy was very clear. No overwork, no overtime. 5 o'clock means 5 o'clock means computer closed, work closed. So she was like with us immediately. No travel time back. Time saved, money saved, minor family commitments. More time with family because of the time saved. Okay, like because of the time saved, you can say, while commuting.
Ma'am, we can add, it increases our learning outputs.
How?
For example, being a teacher during lockdown, I learned so many things, how to teach the students. So I learned so many things, for example, using many teaching aids and other things. So
yes,
how can I explain?
That point? You can give your example and put that point. But otherwise, you know, those who are telecommuting are mostly IT professionals.
Yes.
See, this COVID has given time, opportunity for many people to learn.
And the employer.
Can you please tell me, how can I explain these points?
Which point?
This same point. I learned so many things.
You can say that telecommuting offers employees to learn many, you know, you can say IT skills they learn. Because see, if I give my example, as I started teaching online, I learned so many things. I learned how to use the Zoom. I learned how to and make the students enter, exit. I learned how to check their homeworks. And you know, the feedback I got from my students. First I used to do, in the first few days, what I did last year when I started teaching, I used to take printouts of the tasks they sent to me. Then I used to check on those printouts. Then I used to scan them again and send them back. You know, and it was not effective. Because the student had to really strain to see. You know, when I get the printout, it is mostly blackish. Then I write on that paper, I scan it and send it back. I cannot write the, you know, the reason why something is wrong. That would take me 1 hour writing it all down, explaining. So audio feedback, and you know, I gave the audio feedback to 1 or 2 students, and one student told me, ma'am, this is so good. I can listen to the audio again and again. I will not do these mistakes. And that boy had got 5 in writing. He got 6.5 that time. Okay. And then this audio feedback became, you know, something which I started doing, and this has become a hit with my students.
Yes.
They really understand well because they tell the concept there and then. Why this is wrong. I just don't tell them this is wrong. Don't do like this. I tell them why this is wrong and why what I'm saying is better.
Yeah.
Okay, so that audio concept, you can put any example and say as a
Okay.
teacher. Okay, you can say you
Fine.
learned so many things, you had more interaction with the students that way, and even your students, you could impart them better education, you could
Yes.
cater to more number of students.
Yeah.
You can say that. Okay,
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
like
Ma'am,
that.
I have a point.
Yes.
Can I add it?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Can I say this that it brings flexibility that I can choose the furniture of my choice.
Of course, why not? See, at home, but see, this is a negative point also. I tell you why. When you have to work 8 hours, sitting from home also, you need to reserve a place in your home for office work. You need to have a bench and a chair, and that should be, that should be such a good quality that you don't feel tired. Offices generally, big companies, offices have the best of furniture, ergonomic. They look into the ergonomics so that their employees don't feel tired. At home, you have to yourself spend on that. Okay, and sometimes the houses don't even have enough space. You have to reserve a corner of your room for office work, and then your small children or your siblings may disturb you.
Separate place, ma'am.
Pardon? Yes, you have to reserve a place like that. Okay, so these are the positives of to the employees. Now tell me the positives to the employers.
They save on rents, office rents, or
Very
they
good.
don't have to own the office places.
Very good. They
Ma'am,
can run
even they don't need to pay overtime to the same employee. They can hire a new employee. Even like so many people are finding a remote jobs, so it is the good option for employers.
Yes, people's मत बोल देना कभी अमन, people's गलत हो जाएगा. Okay, people plural है. People.
Yeah.
Okay,
Even
otherwise
they
the
are
problem.
saving on transportation reimbursements. Like whenever one employee is going to customer's place, they used to pay the travel cost of the employee. So they are saving on that reimbursement amounts.
Yes, very good, Sunipa. Used to से क्या मतलब है आपका?
Like for example, I am working in an organization. So when our office were open, so employees used to get a certain amount. Suppose they have spent 5,000 rupees on their travel to client's place. So now
that is called TA. The companies have
Yes,
to do
yes.
TA. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
now
Travel
Sunipa,
allowance.
they don't use to pay. Again, if your office will open, they will again pay you.
Yes, but now
you're-
like we are working
no,
from
no,
home,
no,
so
no.
we are communicating to.
Just listen to me. What I am saying.
Yes,
That used to work was wrong.
Okay.
Word was wrong.
Okay,
Used to means not anymore. Now, supposing your work starts again, they will still pay you. Now they have to pay.
Yes, yes, ma'am,
You
they
don't
will
have
pay.
to say they used to pay. You say companies have to pay TA.
Okay.
They save on the TA.
Yes, yes. ma'am.
If you say they used to pay, that means now they don't pay, even if you are working from their office. They still pay, right?
Currently, like we are working from home only. so
Currently,
they
you
have
are working from home, but we are talking in general. When you are
Yes,
working
yes,
from
ma'am.
home, what happens?
Whenever the office will resume, they will
They have to
be
pay.
paying again. Yes.
So that is not the point. Na? Used to would be wrong.
Okay.
So what you say that employers save on TA because they don't have to pay employees the TA because employees are not traveling as it is. Okay. That is. Yes. Another advantage to the employer is that advantage is, that's a very good advantage. That was an article in the Tribune many years ago. I had a cutout of that article also, and I didn't know that point earlier. The point was that when an employee is given the option of telecommuting, working from home, generally it is taken कि वो घर से अच्छा सा काम नहीं करेगा, but it is generally seen that they work even better.
Yeah, they are more
they-
productive.
They are very productive because they know that they are getting that advantage, and the company will shunt them out if they don't work well. They don't want to be laid off. So even they work even better than the employees who are present in the office. Okay, so that benefit ultimately goes to the employer.
Yeah.
Okay? They get dedicated workers who will show results. Okay.
And even employer don't have any tension about their like about employees' safety.
Yes.
In
So
the
employers,
office.
yes, yes. So all these points you can say, and the benefit to the environment is that as less people will be traveling, so there will be fewer vehicles on the roads. It will save pollution. It will cause less pollution. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, it gives employers employers the flexibility to ask their employees to stretch their day in case they have the strict guidelines, or they can ask their employee to start your day earlier in case they need to meet the certain guidelines.
Yes. So you can say they can be allowed to work staggered hours. That word is there, staggered.
Staggered hours.
Yes,
Thank
staggered
you.
hours. I'll tell you the meaning. I'll share the dictionary.
Employers can hire worker from anywhere.
That point we already spoke on. So staggered hours is staggered hours. So people start and finish at different times, staggered working hours. So they can be allowed to work staggered working hours. They have to work. Okay. So you can use this word, staggered working hours. Okay, ma'am. You can use this point. Okay. Then very nicely we have discussed this topic. Now I'll tell you how this topic comes in the exam. You know, there can be an essay that nowadays people are allowed to work from home. They don't give you the word telecommuting in the essay topic. That word you have to put. Okay. Then they will say, what are the advantages and disadvantages of telecommuting? This can come in the GT, to the GT. And to the academic, they can ask, do you think the advantages of telecommuting are more or the disadvantages? Okay, you can handle that. Or they can say that some people say, nowadays people are allowed to work from home. Some people say that it is beneficial to the employees, whereas others say that it causes stress at home. Okay, now how can it cause stress at the home? You can do those points also, so that you can do that essay also. Stress at the home. I told you the points. I said you have to reserve a corner of the home for office work. Then they can be the children, small children at home can be disturbing.
In some cases, job is for 24/7.
Yes, so all the time the person
increases the work
can
hours.
be on call. Okay, like that. And you know, another thing, supposing I'm telecommuting, I'm working from home, 9 to 5 is my office work, office timing, I have to sit at the bench. But my mother-in-law is there and she says, घर में तो बैठी है, काम ही नहीं कर रही. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. This happens. Happens many times.
Ma'am, employer may
family's expectation increases when we are sitting at home and we don't listen to them.
Yes.
So they feel like what we say.
We are ignoring
ignored.
them.
They feel ignored at that time.
Yes, and they don't realize that the person is working. They just see that person is at home. Okay.
Sudden guest arrival.
आप कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठे हो कब से कुछ खा नहीं रहे पी नहीं रहे हमारे से बात नहीं कर रहे.
That happens, na?
Health issues due to improper sitting style.
Yes, yes. So for many months, my daughter was, telecommuting from her bed. I said, you should sit at the table chair at least. Otherwise, you will have back problems, back pain.
Neck pain, neck hurts.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, hello.
मैम
एम्प्लॉयर में ए पॉइंट ऐड कर सकते हैं ड्यू टू टेलीकम्युनिकेटिंग एम्प्लॉयर हैव मोर टाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ दे लाइक टू डू अदर वर्क.
See, other work वाला पॉइंट आपका गलत हो जाएगा.
Okay,
I'll tell you why. The company is paying you to work for them. In that time, if you are doing other work, then
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that would be wrong. You're not understanding and you didn't use the word telecommuting. You said telecommunicating. Am I right? Other students.
Telecommunicating. Okay.
No, that's wrong. It's not telecommunicating.
It's commuting.
It's a telecommuting. If you will speak telecommunicating, you will write also the wrong word over there. Okay. So Rachna, have you got it? Telecommuting. C-O-M-M.
Telecommuting.
Telecommuting. Okay, telecommuting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the next telecommuting we've done now. Okay. Okay. What are the advantages to the children if they accompany their parents when they migrate to a different country to work? I have muted all of you. You can unmute and speak. What are the advantages and disadvantages to the children who accompany their parents who migrate to other countries for work? You know?
Better education in foreign countries, and like advantages to parents also. They don't have to spend on children's education. So like their
Why?
schools are
Why they
free.
don't have to spend?
Their schools are free mostly. If we take an example of Canada or Australia or UK, USA, so they don't have to pay for school. So they parents also save on that, and children can get company of their parents, and they can learn many things from their parents also.
International exposure to the children always does them good. They become more open.
They will learn to adopt the new culture.
New cultures and all. Okay.
They
Very
learn
good.
different
Very good.
languages.
Ma'am,
Very
could
good.
you please elaborate independent at all age?
the topic?
The topic is the advantages to the children who accompany their parents when the parents migrate to another country for work. Supposing आपकी PR हो गई सीधी, आपने GC का पेपर दिया, आप और आपके हस्बैंड कनाडा मूव कर गए, आप बच्चों को साथ लेके जाओगे, उन बच्चों को क्या फायदा है?
ओके ओके
अगर आपके बच्चे हैं तो एडवांटेजेस ये एस्से है जीटी की बुक में. So when you are doing these points, you are even doing that essay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the disadvantages to the children?
Difficult to adjust in a new environment for the children.
Is the difficulty to adjust in the environment.
Yes, they find it difficult to adjust in the new environment.
Due to the hectic
language
their parents, they feel lonely.
They feel isolated.
Lonely वाला point किसने बोला? Lonely कैसे इसको expand करो?
When both the parents they go to their job, sometimes their job they have very hectic schedules, so they are not able to give proper time to their kids. So if they are with their grandparents, they get time.
Okay, so you can say that when both parents are working, they can't give time. पर आपको ये पता है कि foreign countries में बच्चों को अकेले तो छोड़ ही नहीं सकते हो आप.
They have to hire
Yes, they have to put
इंडिया में आपकी एक
the
मदर इन लॉ है
children
ना?
take care.
इंडिया में आपकी एक मदर इन लॉ है ना?
Yes.
आप बाहर चले जाओ, कनाडा, यूएसए, और अपने बच्चों को मॉल 5 मिनट के लिए अकेले छोड़ोगे ना, तो 10 मदर इन लॉज वहां इकट्ठी हो जाएंगी आपको डांटने के लिए.
Yeah, even the
वो तैयार होंगी फोन पकड़ के पुलिस को कॉल करने के लिए कि बच्चों को छोड़ गई है ये.
It means they have to hire nannies for their care. They have to pay some amount of money, which is an extra burden on both the parents.
Yes.
Even they can put their children.
We are talking from the point of view of children. The essay that is there is from the point of view of children. So the disadvantages of the children are that they feel culture shock. Sometimes they face language problems. You know, that way you can write. Okay.
They miss their grandparents.
They miss their grandparents. When the parents are busy, they just make their children sit in front of the TV. So that also is not good for the children. Their screen time increases.
Yes.
You know?
Even their culture, like they won't be learning their culture roots from their grandparents and family members.
So they'll be drifting away from their traditional culture. You can say that.
Yes, customs and condition.
They'll be drifting away. So you've done this also very good. Now the next question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of interview, hiring with an interview? So this is an essay which is there in both in the GT essay book and the academic essay book. Interview is the main source of hiring in many companies. Some people say interview is not good, other methods are better. Do you agree or disagree? Now, if you can say interview is the best, you will say advantages of interview. So just speak out the advantages of interview method of hiring.
Is it good for a company or organization?
Very good.
I think it's not based on the degrees. It's completely based on the knowledge of the person.
Yes.
there is a face-to-face interaction between the employer and employee. Employer can understand.
Employer can judge the ability
yes,
of the
employer
person,
can judge
and they
the-
can know about what the person can do.
Very good. Very good. Employer can judge the knowledge of the person and know what the person can do. Very good. Yes.
While
Interview can also be like-
individual can see the environment of the colleagues and the boss as well.
Yes.
And even the employee can know about the company's growth.
Very good. So
Interviewer can also give like on the spot questions to check how he can handle the stressful situations.
What is the word for those on the spot? Impromptu.
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 मैम जो कंटिन्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन
Also assess the social skills of
impromptu is on the spot.
Spot,
Without preparation. Questions asked without any preparation on the spot. Okay, like that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
They can answer. So, what are the other methods of hiring?
Written other methods like
Written
written
test.
test is not fully fair.
Aptitude test.
Group discussion.
Aptitude
Discussion.
Group
Phone
discussion.
interview,
Discussion.
face-to-face interview,
So you
written
can
group
talk about the
discussion.
advantages and disadvantages of these other methods. Okay. Also, group discussion. What are the advantages?
So
It checks convincing skills.
So they can check the confidence of the
Convincing
person
skills, yes.
who
Group
can
discussion.
handle and
Yes.
Convincing skills.
So these are good for salesman jobs. Salesman को convince करना आना चाहिए ना. अब मैं shoes लेने गई, मेरे size का shoe नहीं है, एक size छोटा है, तो मेरे को salesman बोलेगा, मैडम खुल जाना है, 2 दिन पहनोगे, ले जाओ. और
Yes, even you can buy
अगर
for
मेरा
you.
size नहीं है, एक size बड़ा है, तो वो क्या बोलेगा, मैडम जुराबें नहीं पहननी, सर्दियां आ रही हैं, बिना जुराबों के पहनोगे, एक size बड़ा लो. तो मतलब शू तो मेरे को बेच के भेजेगा वो, जिसकी कन्वीनियंस है. ठीक है, चाहे मेरे साइज का है चाहे नहीं है, शू मैं लेके घर आऊंगी, घर आके चाहे मैं उसको डस्टबिन में डालूं, वापस से उसने कन्विंस कर देना है कि दिस इज द वन फॉर मी. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
so that is, it is like that. Okay, convincing skills, yes. Okay, now next essay is interview wala ho gaya. Next essay topic, see these follow up questions, you are doing the essays also. Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages of extending the retirement age?
It increasing the employment.
Oh yes, it increases youth employment, not employment.
Okay.
See, extending के advantage बता रहे हो कि disadvantage बता रहे हो? Retirement age को extend करने से youth employment कम हो जाएगी.
Yes,
It
ये तो
decreases the youth
disadvantage.
employment.
हाँ. So it will be, it decreases youth employment. So it will lead to youth unemployment. That is a disadvantage. Youth unemployment is a bigger menace than unemployment in general. You know why? Because young people have a lot of energy. If it is not channelized in the right direction, they can do lot of violence and crime. It
They
will-
indulge in bad society.
Yes, it will increase the violence and crime in society.
Okay.
So increasing, extending the retirement age, सबसे biggest disadvantage है youth unemployment.
Okay.
पहले आप advantages बोलो. What are the advantages of extending the retirement age?
Youth can work under
Could not pay for pension insurance.
Organization can
सबसे
make
बड़ा
you
advantage
utilize
है pension वाला. That
experience.
government
Sense of security.
हाँ, सबसे पहला advantage है, it eases the stress on the government because the government has to pay money as
to the
pension.
experienced person.
हाँ, ठीक है? So like that you can say. Then next is
youth can work under experienced employees and they can learn more skills.
Yes, 2 points you got. Any other point?
They
Any
will also become independent.
Very good. The elderly will not face the financial. What are the 3 problems that the elderly face?
Isolation.
Social isolation,
Financial support,
and health problems.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah. So when they are working, they will not have financial problem. Okay, when they're working, they'll not feel social isolation. When
Mhm.
they're
Yeah.
working, they will not have health problems because they'll be active.
Active.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
all these problems will be looked into. These are the advantages. Disadvantages are youth unemployment will increase, which is very bad. Okay, like that.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
So independent वाला है वो means के point they
They
also
feel
become
independent.
independent.
They feel independent, but they don't have to
हाँ,
be
they feel
dependent for
independent.
financial needs. The वही financial वाले में आ जाएगा ना, that
तो
they'll not.
इसमें
हाँ.
So इसमें explain ऐसे कर सकते हैं if they become independent. So if senior people are suffering from some health issue, so they also pay their charge.
Yes.
Owen.
So basically, it all boils down to the fact that they are not financially dependent. Na? They become independent.
Yeah.
They can pay for their healthcare costs.
Hi, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, yes, you can pay. Okay. So this is today's class. I hope you all enjoyed it, liked it. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And,
what we are going tomorrow?
tomorrow we'll be doing first one passage of reading, which I'll share. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, we'll be discussing essays.
Okay. Ma'am, can you please share the essay that we have discussed today?
Okay, I'll share these. Okay.
Okay.
And tomorrow we'll be discussing how to write essays, intros, conclusions, topics and ends, thesis statement, and all that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
I want